Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to review the Alma Oil Bond and Repair line. I got this product the other day, and no, it is not PR. I bought this product with my own money, and since it's about to be spring and the spring season, I like to try a new product, and that's what I'm doing here with Shea Moisture. For disclaimer, I really love Shea Moisture. I have really good success with them. They've been a part of my natural hair journey since the beginning, but I never used this line before. And this line, I got the shampoo, the conditioner, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and as well as the oil. So we are going to do a full set of the wash and go and using this product. So what I'm doing here, I am letting my hair get soaking wet before I start shampooing my hair. I do have low porosity hair, so I have to make sure my hair is staying in underwater for a little bit. This is the shampoo, and the first thing I noticed, it smells really well. I did forget to smell it before I put it in my hair, but the minute I put it in my hair, I can smell the scent coming out. And as you all know, I love smell. I love product that smells good. So we are going to shampoo my hair. This is the first shampoo. I focus on my scalp to massage my scalp, and I use my little brush to make sure I get all the dirt and the residues out. My hair was in a protective style for 2 weeks, so it really needs a really good wash. So what I noticed about the shampoo, it is not a moisturizing shampoo. After I rinsed the shampoo out of my hair, I felt like my hair was very stripped. So but this is the only thing I can say. This shampoo, it's really good. It had a lot of lather, so I am probably it's going to last me for a while, because you don't really need a lot of it in your hair. But I just didn't feel like my hair was moisturized after I rinsed the shampoo out of my hair. But it did not really do anything. It's not a bad thing. It just is not a moisturizing shampoo. I'm so used to the Jamaican line where it's a moisturizing shampoo. And but yeah, overall, very great shampoo. I love the smell, and I do love the fact that you don't really need a lot of it. After shampooing and make sure all the shampoo are out of my hair, now it is time to use the conditioner. I did not detangle my hair before washing. I did not do a pre-poo, so I have to use the conditioner to detangle my hair. It was a little bit of struggle because my hair was on a protective style, like I said, for 2 weeks. But this conditioner is really good because it had a lot of slip, so it did not take me that long to figure it out. You just have to start from end to root, but it take me no more than 5 to 10 minutes to detangle my whole head. So that's what we are doing here. We are detangling my hair, and so we can get it detangled and get ready for the hair mask. When you are detangling your hair, be patient with yourself. Don't try to rush it, because if you try to rush it, you're going to end up with a lot of breakage. Take your time, do not be in a rush, and make it as enjoyable as possible to make sure you're not whipping your hair out. Be patient, start from the end to root. Add as much conditioner as you can to have a wonderful experience. I do love doing my hair. I love washing my hair. The sensations of the water running through my scalp, it's something that I can't explain. So I am having a me time, and I'll take my time to detangle my hair. After rinsing out the conditioner in my hair feels super soft. Look at those curls. Those are natural curls. Just the conditioner, it's rinse out. It looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous. I love it. I'm obsessed with it, and it feels very soft. Even though the shampoo, it's not moisturizing shampoo, but the conditioner do it really good justice. So now it is time for the hair mask. It feels really good. It has a really good consistency to it. Again, smells really nice. So I am going to apply it all over my head in 4 sections, and that mask only require you to leave it in your hair for 5 minutes. As I'm doing that, my hair is fully detangled, so it doesn't really take that long to apply the hair mask. So as I do that, I always go back with the white foam to make sure my hair is fully detangled. But as you can tell, the comb is just passed through, and because it's fully detangled. As I am putting the hair mask on, I am just thinking about how grateful it is to be able to do this for myself, to wash my hair and having a really nice moment with myself. It is amazing. Now my hair is fully coated with the hair mask. I am going to take an extra step by adding a hair cap and stay in the shower while the warm water is running. I have low porosity hair, so I like to take the extra step, but it doesn't really require that. You don't have to do that. I just like to take the extra step for myself because I want to make sure I get all the product in my cuticle. My hair is it's been 5 minutes, and I use that 5 minutes to shower myself and take a little me time in the shower. I'm using a detangling brush to make sure the product is out of my hair. So that's what I'm doing here, rinsing the mask out. My hair feels amazing. My hair feels great. I am so happy with this line. So this is what I'm gonna use for the next couple months until I run out and go back to my normal Shea Moisture line, which is the Jamaican castor oil line. My hair is washed. I rinse out the mask. It feels great. It feels amazing. I love the way my hair feels, and I really love this line, and I am going to continue to use it. And but yeah, I am going to do a part 2 to show you how I use the leave-in conditioner, because I did an amazing wash and go, and I wanted to show you how I apply the leave-in conditioner and oil. Thank you for watching. I will see you on part 2. Bye bye.